Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Rust programming language in your PC. So what I have to do, you have to search here Rust. Here you can see Rust programming language. Just click here install Rust. And then here you can see we have two options, 32-bit and 64-bit. So go with the 64-bit because my operating system is on 64-bit. So if it is 32-bit, you may actually go with the 32-bit. So in this case 64-bit, so I will click here and here you can see it's downloaded. Now let's go install it. So double click on it. And here you can see it open a CMD. So here you can see this component can be acquired with through a Visual Studio installer. So here you can see quick installer and then manual install and then don't install the okay. So maybe we can go with the second one. Okay, so just pick here 2, okay, and then press enter. So if it is needed to download C++ build tools for this process, so it will actually ask you to continue with this. Just say Y for the yes. And here you can see processed with the standard installation, just go with it. So click here 1. And here you can see it's downloading. So here you can see Rust is installed now. Great. So here press the enter key to continue. So let's press enter key from the keyboard. Done. Now we want to check in the CMD that we have installed it properly or not. So here we are going to say Rust C --version. Here you can see you have this version Rust C. So this is how you can actually install Rust programming language. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.